Hello, my name's Nicola and I'm one of the dietitians on the Coeliac UK helpline. Today we're going to be talking about cooking and eating out. Our home of gluten-free recipes is a one-stop shop for cooking and baking gluten-free. Here you can choose from over 1,100 delicious recipes for every occasion. Our recipes are developed by our own resident home economist and our Coeliac UK foodies. You can find out more at www.coeliac.org.uk/recipes. Our home of gluten-free recipes offers easy to follow recipe videos, nutritional information to help you choose the right recipes for your needs, including calories, fat, carbohydrate, protein, and fibre information per serving. You can also find recipes for additional dietary needs and a specially developed meal plan to meet your daily nutritional requirements and keep your budget in check. Eating out. By law, caterers must be able to provide you with information on any allergens, including cereals containing gluten, in the meals they sell. This information can be given in written format or orally. We'd recommend calling ahead to speak to the chef waiter or check their website for gluten-free options available to you. Explain that you need a gluten-free meal for medical reasons. And if you can, list some possible sources of gluten. For example, stock cubes, breadcrumbs, wheat flour in sauces, oil used to fry foods containing gluten, soy sauce, and croutons in salad. It's really important that you also explain the importance of avoiding cross-contamination. Eating out. You can search and filter options for over 7,000 venues across the UK and read ratings and reviews from others. And this is available online and via the Gluten Free on the Move app. You can also find information on our Coeliac UK gluten-free accredited venues, our local group recommendations and visitor recommendations. You can also look out for Coeliac UK's gluten-free symbol, which tells you that the caterer meets the gluten-free standard. Coeliac UK have also produced over 50 country guides with translations to help you when you're travelling abroad. Packaged foods in the EU are covered by the same food labelling laws as the UK. If possible, plan ahead, discuss any gluten-free catering before booking, and ask in advance for gluten-free airplane or Eurostar meals. Take emergency snacks with you so that you do have something to fall back on if needed. Check for additional baggage allowance with the airline that you're travelling with. Many airlines will allow additional baggage allowance for gluten-free foods. We know what it takes to live gluten-free every day, and we're here to support you. From children to adults and those caring for someone living gluten-free, our resources will help you every day for every occasion. Our membership features include a welcome pack to help get you started on your gluten-free diet, including our printed food and drink guide, our gluten-free checklist, and our celiac disease fact sheet. Our helpline is supported by dietitians and food advisors to answer any questions you may have on your diet and health. And our essential food information service lists over 150,000 products. You can find out more on our website at www.coeliac.org.uk/join. Here you can find information on the different membership packages available, which start from just £1.25 per month. Access exclusive member resources to help you live well gluten-free. In summary, Coeliac UK is here to support you when eating out on your gluten-free diet and when travelling. Coeliac UK's home of gluten-free recipes has over 1,000 delicious gluten-free recipes for all occasions, plus lots of hints and tips about cooking and baking gluten-free. If you have any questions, please do get in touch by calling our helpline on 0333 332 2033 or by emailing at generalinquiries@coeliac.org.uk.